Jaime here from Cosmic Kids. Now today I get to try yoga in weightlessness, just like my friend Samantha the astronaut did in space. But I'm not going to space, I'm going to go on this very cool plane. This is what astronauts use to learn what weightlessness feels like. It's really cool. Now this plane, it flies like a wiggly thing, going up and down, making you super heavy 1 minute, and then very light and floaty the next, weightless. I think that one's quite tricky. And I'm gonna try doing some yoga poses in it. Come on, let's see how it goes. Wow, it's really heavy. Wow. My body feels really strange.
30, 40.
Ah, and it's starting to change. Woo. Ah. Oh, I'm going straight for the camera.
Push off. Come back over here.
Okay, I'm pushing. Woo! Oh my word!
Turn to face Sebastian if you can.
Sebastian.
20.
Ah, this is a bit crazy.
Feet down.
I seem to be kind of going back down again. Oh, there we go. Oh, and we're going back down again.
That's it.
Oh.
Keep your head still.
Head is still. Wow.
Steady rise.
How was that?
That was amazing. Woo. Namaste. Oh, okay. That went well. Here we go.
20. 30.
Wow, this is so cool. You're really floating, and then you're not. And then you're very heavy. Oh wow, up in a little twist. That's amazing. I feel all my legs really lightly, but it feels really nice.
20.
And then we're going back down again.
30.
I'm going to put my feet down just in case. And then down into the ground. And this time I'm going to sit like this.
Injection.
And then we're up. No! Okay. That one didn't work so well. Here we go. Okay. I don't think I can get, maybe I can get it.
20.
No.
30.
I think that one's quite tricky. Woohoo! Oh. And then we're down.
Injection.
Ah. And then you're really light. No. And off. Oh. Well, now I've taken my hair out of the hairband because I think my hair wants to try flying. We're going to try warrior pose, surfer pose, standing strong, one arm out, one arm forwards. Are we ready? We're feeling heavy, strong in our legs, lovely stretch. And then let's see what happens when we fly. Let's see where we go. Wow! This is amazing. Quite hard to hold a warrior pose when we're in this sort of position. But it's really cool, isn't it?
20,
Totally weightless.
30,
Legs still stretching. The front leg isn't really working very hard. Oh, but it is now. Woo! Back to the ground. Oh, that was amazing. And then we're gonna float. Ah. Up we go, floating in space. Ah.
20, 30, float,
Ah.
3, 2, 1, float.
Woo! Ah! So strong!
30, 40, injection,
And then we up. Wow, floating in dancer pose is really cool.
20,
Oh,
30,
okay, gonna put the feet down
float,
and down. Oh, wow. Floating in dancer pose was pretty amazing. But holding dancer pose when we were in the heavy bit, that was hard. Okay, everyone, here we go.
30, 40,
Just keep your hands where they are.
Okay.
A little bit of pressure with your fingers and your feet. Walk, 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 walk. That's it. Beautiful. Wow.
Woo! Yes, we did it! We did a full somersault. How cool was that? Wheel, wall walk, we did it all. And now we're really flying in the sky.
30,
This is amazing. Wow. Goodness me. That was amazing. I just did yoga in weightlessness and it was very, very interesting. Hyper G was very interesting too, super heavy. And we did it 30 times. Can you believe it? That was really, really cool. Samantha is amazing for what she has done on the ISS, doing all of that yoga and making it work. And now I feel very happy and very excited that I've got to try it too. Thanks to Isa for letting me come and have a go. Bye!